Hey guys, so today we're gonna play some Subway Surf. It's a really cool game, so let's just do a few rounds. We have to put the volume on. While we're making it, oh, it's so hard. Oh, I just died right away. No, I don't care if my iPod has a... Not that one, I wanna be the normal one. Now let's go. And that policeman is just so annoying. Wait a second. Are you absolutely kidding me? This video is so short. Okay, well, maybe guys backwards. I'm being interested. Hey guys, so wait, I have to get my hat. I'll meet you guys back when I'm getting my hat. Guys, I couldn't not get it, but I don't want this video to be too short. So I'll tell you some facts about this iPod. iPods were made in 2001. And here it is, the back of it. Looks classic because it has no protector. And it has a lot of scratch. Yeah, that's probably look at the light. Okay, guys, this is the end of this episode. So actually, I could not find my hat. So this is the end of this episode. So bye, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment. Bye.